Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Today, we're at a restaurant to practice real-life English conversations you can use when eating out.
In today's video, you'll learn how to order coffee, healthy meals, ask about menu, and understand common restaurant rules.
These simple and natural conversations will help you speak English more confidently in everyday situations.
So, get ready to listen, repeat, and improve your English with us. Let's get started. Ordering food. Good evening. What would you like to order today?
Hi, I'm thinking about trying the chicken curry.
Great choice. It's one of our most popular dishes.
Sounds good. But tell me, is that dish spicy?
It has a medium level of spice. Not too hot, but flavorful.
I don't handle spicy food very well.
No problem. We can make it mild for you if you prefer.
Oh, that's perfect. Please make it mild then.
Sure. Would you like rice or bread with it?
I'll take rice, please.
Noted. Would you like something to drink?
Maybe a mango lassi. I heard it helps with spice.
Yes, that's a great idea. It's sweet and cooling.
Perfect. I'll go with that then.
Anything else you'd like to try?
Maybe some samosas as a starter. Are they spicy?
Just a little. Mostly flavorful, not hot.
Okay, try them too.
Wonderful. One mild chicken curry, rice, samosas, and a mango lassi.
That's right. Thank you for helping me choose.
Ordering fish and chips.
Hi, excuse me. This is my first time ordering fish and chips. Could you help me out?
Of course, it's a classic. Would you like cod or haddock?
I'm not sure. What's the difference?
Cod is softer and very popular, while haddock has a stronger flavor.
I'll try cod then. And do I need to choose the size?
Yes, we have small, regular, and large.
Let's go with regular. I don't want to get overwhelmed on my first try.
Good choice. Would you like chips with salt and vinegar?
I've heard about vinegar on chips. Is it really that good?
Absolutely. It gives the perfect kick. You should try at least a little.
All right, add a little vinegar. And ketchup, please.
No problems. Do you want mushy peas or curry sauce on the side?
Curry sauce with fish and chips?
Yes, it's a favorite for many people.
Okay, I'll try it. This is turning into a whole British experience.
You're going to love it. That'll be £8.50, please.
Here you go. And thank you for helping me. I was completely lost.
Anytime, enjoy your first fish and chips.
You can't sit here. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm sorry, but you can't sit here without ordering something.
Oh, I'm just waiting for my friend.
I understand, but this table is for customers who are dining.
Can I at least wait here for a few minutes?
Of course, but you'll need to order something small.
Okay. Do you have coffee?
Yes, we have espresso, cappuccino, and black coffee.
I'll take a cappuccino then.
Great choice. Anything else for you?
No, just the coffee for now.
All right, I'll bring it right away.
Thank you. I didn't know about the rule.
It's okay. It just helps us keep tables available for customers.
Makes sense. The place is quite busy.
Exactly. Especially during this time.
I'll tell my friend to order something too when she arrives.
Perfect. I'll be back with your cappuccino in a moment.
Thanks, I'll wait.
You are welcome. Ordering healthy food.
Good morning. I need something healthy today.
Welcome. I can help you with that.
I'm new here, so I don't know what to choose.
No worries. We have great, healthy options.
Okay, tell me your best one.
Our signature salad bowl is the most popular.
What makes it so special?
It's fresh, colorful, and full of energy.
Okay, what ingredients are in it?
Lettuce, avocado, tomatoes, cucumbers, and grilled chicken.
Sounds good. But is it actually filling?
Yes, customers always say. It keeps them full for hours.
I like that. I really need energy today.
Then this bowl is perfect for you.
What about something to drink?
We have fresh juices and healthy smoothies.
Smoothies? Now that sounds tempting.
Our green smoothie is powerful and refreshing.
Does it taste good, though?
Surprisingly good. Even kids love it.
All right, I'll take the smoothie.
Great choice. Anything else you want?
Maybe a small side, something light.
Our fruit cup is very popular.
Okay, add that too.
Perfect. Your order looks amazing so far.
Thank you. I'm excited to try everything.
Your healthy meal will be ready in a few minutes. Ordering wrong meal. Excuse me, I think I ordered the wrong meal.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I accidentally asked for a beef burger, but I don't eat beef.
Don't worry at all. We can fix this for you.
Really? I was afraid I'd have to pay again.
No need to worry. We'll just change your order.
Thank you. That's such a relief.
Would you like to switch it to chicken or maybe vegetarian?
Chicken, please. That's what I meant to order.
Great choice. I'll cancel the beef burger right away.
I really appreciate your help.
It happens all the time. Don't feel bad.
I was worried I'd cause trouble.
Not at all. It's our job to make sure you're happy with your meal.
That's very kind of you.
Your chicken burger will be ready in just a few minutes.
Thank you. I feel much better now.
I'm glad to hear that. Anything else with your order?
No, that's perfect.
Wonderful. I'll bring it to your table shortly.
Ordering coffee. Good morning. What can I get for you today?
Good morning. I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Great. Would you like any milk or sugar in your coffee?
Yes, a little milk and 1 spoon of sugar, please.
No problem. Would you like to try any flavor? Like vanilla or caramel?
Vanilla sounds nice. Let's add that.
Perfect. Anything else for you today?
Yes, could I also get a chocolate muffin?
Of course. Would you like it warmed up?
Yes, please. That would be great.
All right. A medium vanilla coffee and a warm chocolate muffin. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right. How much is it?
That'll be $6.50, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in a moment.
Thanks a lot. I can't wait for my coffee.
Thanks for watching. We hope these restaurant conversations helped you learn useful English for everyday situations.
Keep practicing these phrases, and you'll feel more confident when ordering food or talking to restaurant staff.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite restaurant meal?
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye. Have a wonderful day.